Welcome to What's in the Box. Today I got a 4-speed humidifier from Pure Enlightenment. We're gonna unbox this thing and check out what's all in the box, and then we'll go and test this baby out and see what it does. We're gonna unbox this thing and check out what's all in the box, and then we'll go and test this baby out and see what it does. All right, let's open it up. Directions, that's always good. The machine. Let's get this thing put together, unwrapped. This is what it looks like. What do we got in here? The cord. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna fill it up and let's test this baby out and get down to the specs. Water flow captures, cools, and humidifies all the air in the room. Also helps fight allergies, traps, and kills airborne allergies. Whole room coverage. Ideal for large rooms up to 500 feet. Four fan speeds. Select level 1, 2, or 3 or turbo to activate the humidity level for your personal comfort. Auto shut-off timer shuts off the humidifier after 2 to 4 or 8 hours of constant operation. Night light with color chance technology operates night light through the rainbow color spectrum, or choose your favorite color and set to however you want it. I'll put more information down below and contact information on where to find this, like the website and specs and more information that I didn't put in the video or I missed out on. Yeah, so I hope you like my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And one more thing, I've done other products by this company, so check out their videos in the link down below. I did a blanket, I'm doing this humidifier, and I'm going to do a floor steamer. So check them all out. Peace.